What's up guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your internet connection on Windows 10. So let's do it guys. As you can see, I cannot connect to internet. Why is that? No internet. Sometimes you can see a cross on your network that says no internet access, and sometimes a yellow triangle. So what should we do? In this situation, we can reset our network on Windows 10. How we do that? We're gonna go to settings and then network and internet. Going down to network reset, and we should reset now. Click on yes. Then we have to restart our computer guys. So we are gonna restart our computer. Click on this and restart. After restarting our computer, our network is working. We click on our browser. See guys, I have internet right now. Yeah. Yes, I have internet. So guys, I hope this fix can fix your internet problems. If you have any question, please leave in the comment. See you in the next video. Have a good time.